Let's go, let's go. This is easy. You've got a 19mm socket that you need. Boom. Two ways of doing this. One, you can take this guy and this guy off. Or you can take this guy and this one off. Okay? 19mm socket. You just take this whole brake system off, the piston, and replace the brake pads. Or you can do it this way. Most people do this. I can't do it. You see this rust? You see this rust? Check this out. Check this out. I went through all these. You see that crack? Yeah, I couldn't get that guy off. Yes, I used WD-40. I got WD-40, but I still couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, boys. So we're doing it this way. Same thing, easy money. I'll show you. Let's go. You'll need a breaker bar too. Come on. All right, we got this thing off. Let's see how bad these things are. Not too bad, actually. Here we go. So I got me a toothbrush, and I'm gonna just work my way like so. And remember, don't breathe this stuff in. This stuff is deadly. This rust is bad. And then what we're gonna do next is push this caliper in. Pretty easy. I'll show you how to do it. You can get them pretty much anywhere. You can get a caliper pusher C-clamp, they call them, at Menards for like $10, okay? This is all you need. I'll show you. Let's go. The system is pretty basic. All you got, when you step on your brakes, this caliper here pushes the brakes in and out. That's it. And so now it's out. You want to push it back in. It's going to stay in. Once you push it in, it's going to stay in, and you slip your brake pads in, and you're done. I'll show you. Come on.
Pretty much in. Get this clamp off. Boom.
See that? Remember we had that little metal piece? That metal piece goes right here. Top. Okay? So, slide them in this way. Okay? You see this little clip right there? Make sure you put it in the same way you took it out. Right here and one right there. You're gonna slip this in just like that. You don't wanna get any grease on the brake pad itself, all right? But basically, slide it in. You ain't gotta remove the hardware, clean it, grease it, and all you gotta do is put this back in. Remember see that little round thing right there? We push that back in. That's a caliper. Every time you step on your brakes, it moves in, pushes your brake pads in and out. Pretty simple. All right, let's do this. See that little groove? We're gonna put it in just like that. I'm gonna set my phone down. Be back in a sec. As you can see, they're on. And you're pretty much done here. All right, let's put this on the rotor. And we're pretty much done. You see that? They slip right on, you see that? You slip them on, one here and one right there. And all you gotta do is tighten it to get them nice and tight. All you gotta do is get them nice and tight now. And you're pretty much done. I bet you can do it. You can do it.